we're going to update our form. I'm going to add another input type. This one is going to be number. ID, we'll just call it my number with a capital N. And I'm also going to set an initial value. We'll just say 5. So this will be auto-populated. When we go to the form. So let's see that. Click on refresh, and here I go, I've got a 5. And it's got these little arrows that can make the number smaller and bigger. So now we're going to go in here, I'm going to call this one number instead of name. We'll just do document, get element by ID, and we want my number, a capital N for number. And we want to get the value of that. So this is now going to be number equals number plus 5. And my number is, and then put down number. And we'll make it say my new number is, because we're changing the number. And I don't want to do this here, so I'm going to comment this out. So how you can do that is that you can put a / and an asterisk, and at the end of your code that you want to comment out, put an asterisk and a /. So that code will not run anymore. So let's go back here and refresh. And I'll put in Ken. And we'll click on this. So it says, hello Ken. My new number is, and it says 55. Okay, so what's going on here? So let's go back to our code here. Even though this says input type number, this is only how a web browser will treat this input type. They'll treat it like it's a number. That does not necessarily mean that JavaScript will treat it like a number. So right here we will see that it says any type. And by default, it's going to treat it like a string. So that's why adding 5 to the number basically does string concatenation, and it makes it 55. Obviously, we don't want that. We want it to be 10. So I need to tell JavaScript this is actually a number. It is not a string type. So I'm going to put a number with a capital N, put a period. I'm going to parse it as an integer. Put open parentheses around number and close parentheses after the end of that, and save that. So I'm going to go back to my code and see if that fixes it. Click on refresh, type in Ken again, click on say hello. There we go, it's hello Ken. My new number is 10. Awesome. So if I change this to, let's say 10, and I put my name in here again. This is hello Ken. Now my new number is 15.